I'm going to show you how to combine multiple files into one single PDF on Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you have JPEGs or image files of any type, they can be combined, but right now I'm just working with PDFs, so it's going to be a PDF to a PDF. And to do so, you just need to be on adobeacrobat.com. You can find that just through Google if you search Adobe Acrobat. And you need a cloud subscription or just an Adobe Acrobat subscription, unfortunately. So I happen to have the cloud, so I like to use this a lot. I find it really intuitive and straightforward. There are other methods online that you can use, but why use something else when I already have the cloud, you know? Hopefully you guys do too. So I'm going to go to all tools, but you can find it here. Mine is just right at the top, combined files, but that is probably because I just used it. So if you go to all tools, you'll see under edit, combine files, select that. And now you get this area where you can drop in your files. All of mine are under downloads. You can also find them in different folders if you want to search that way, but obviously this is an easy way for me to do it. So I'm going to select all of the pages I want, drop it in, and then I will see a little thumbnail preview of each page. This is not the order I want it in, so I'm going to drag the front page to the front, and I'm going to drag this one to the back. And that looks good. So now I'm going to combine, going up to the top right-hand side, and it just takes a sec. Okay, so now it's giving me a preview of my newly combined PDF, and that looks good. So I'm going to go up top to download it at these three dots, the ellipses here. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go to download this file. And I'm going to go with this PDF. It's larger than the compressed version, but I want the full version. You can also download in other formats, but I want PDF. So download. Okay, great. So it named it for me. I think I could have entered the name in up top beforehand, but I didn't. So I just have, it's called page 3 combined. I'm going to double click on the name, call it combined. And now if I double click to open it, or just right click, open with Adobe Acrobat, I get this. Now, I opened it with Adobe Acrobat just to show you something cool. Now that I have Acrobat opened, I can still edit the file. So if I go to edit and I want to maybe change the layout here, I can organize pages and I can change that page number. So if I want to pull this one now to the back, the financial report, and then just go back to all tools, I can see and it's back in a new order. So you can change things about it after the fact. You can even add page numbers. You can edit parts of the document within Adobe Acrobat. And that's kind of why I like Adobe Acrobat. I can change things that usually I couldn't change, and that can come in handy. But yeah, that's it. I hope this helped you guys. Enjoy, messing around in Acrobat. And if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer. And now if I save this, X out, if I open it again, it'll be in that order that I changed it to. So really cool. All right, thanks for watching.